Create a variety of unique layouts with the Creative Memories recipe templates. This reusable template allows you to unleash your creativity in just a few steps. To start, choose what papers and photos you want to use for your layout. Put your photos under the template and use the photo labeling pencil to trace the areas you'll need to cut. Next, place the template over one of the papers you're using. You can use the clips to keep the paper in place and trace the areas you'll be cutting. Continue tracing your papers with a pencil until all sections you wish to use for your layout have been traced. Then cut out all the traced papers and adhere them and your photos to the base paper. Visit our website to see our other recipe templates available.